Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to construct the Turing machine for accepting language having even number of ones over the alphabet 0 1. Now just consider the logic for this one. I will explain the logic for this one. Now consider the long string. Suppose 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Now here before this, after this input string and before the input string there are the blank cells. Now initially the read pointer is here. Now what we have to do here, okay, in a one iteration we have to identify the first two ones, okay. For example, now read the inputs symbols from left to right. Now it will read this first 0. When it will come at a first 1, okay, convert this 1 into A. Again move towards the right, okay, convert this second in search of the second one. Again immediately here second one comes there, convert it into A. Now after converting first two ones into A, now come back to the initial state, okay, come back to the initial state. Again repeat the procedure. Keep the 0 as it is, keep the 1 as it is, keep this 0 as it is. When first one will come, convert it into A. Again move towards the right in search of the second one, convert it into A. As soon as the two ones are converted into double A, again come back to the initial state and repeat the procedure. So this way in the next iteration it will cover this one into A and this one into A. Again it will come back here, okay, to the initial state. Now here it will get only zeros, A 0, A 0, A 0, and then after 0 if it don't get any one, okay, if it get directly the B, it means that here the string is having a even number of ones, and stop the procedure. Now see the diagram for this one, okay. Now we know that the processing start at the Q0 state, Q0. Then here whatever the initial zeros are there, starting zeros, keep all zeros as it is, move pointers toward the right. Then in first one you will get there, convert it into A. Again move towards the IR in search of the second A. Then Q1 state. Again maybe there can be the zeros, convert this, keep this 0 as it is, move points toward the R. Now after this it will get the second one, then convert this one into A, and now change the direction to L. Now we have to come back to the initial state, okay. Now here it will move towards the left towards the initial, okay, that is nothing but the blank cells. When blank will come, now change the direction to R. So while moving from this second one which is converted into A, while moving from this second A1 towards the back, it may get A or zeros, okay. So we have to keep all those. If 0 comes, keep 0. If A comes, keep A and move towards the L until it gets the B. When it gets the B, blank cell, that means this B, then it will again repeat the process, okay. Now this will be there, and at the end, if after this blank, if it gets 0, it will be kept as it is. Maybe A will come there, will keep as it is, move towards the R. Now when it gets if one gets, it will continue here. If it one don't get, then it will come back here. After this B, after keeping all zeros and ones, this situation. Now here when it gets B, the direction will be the R. It will keep all 0 as it is. Here it is shown. It will keep all A's as it is. Okay, will move towards the right direction. When it will come here, that means blank. Means after this blank, if it don't get 1 and gets the blank, now stop the procedure and accept the string. It means that the string is having even number of ones, and for odd number of ones means at least one A is marked here, and after this one A, it keeps all zeros and ones, and if it don't get second one, here it will get the blank cell. This blank cell stop the procedure, and it means that the string is invalid, that is reject. अगर एक वन आता है तो it has the odd number of ones. If this complete procedure is going, and when after completion, after converting all even number of ones into A, when it gets B, it will come to the accept state. Okay, so this is the transition diagram which checks whether the language or the string has the even number of ones or not. Okay, now see the one more example. Turing machine for accepting language having even number of zeros and odd number of ones over the alphabet 0 1. Okay, now see here, we have already seen this problem statement for the finite automata. Okay, now the Turing machine, this is the one type of the construction of Turing machine. For the regular language, this is the example of regular language. Okay, we can convert the, we have the finite automata for the regular language. Then first construct the finite automata of this one, and then convert this finite automata into the Turing machine. Okay, this is the example of regular, obtain its finite automata, and this finite automata will be converted into Turing machine. Okay, now how it can be done there? Okay, now see here, first we will construct the transition diagram of having even number of zeros and even odd number of ones. So I have already explained for this one. For such type of even, odd, odd even, and then odd combination, there are the 4 states you have to take. Let us take this Q0, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Now this will be the definitely the initial state. Now we have to consider this combination 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0. Okay, so move one in the one in clockwise direction and another in anti-clockwise direction. This has a clockwise direction. Okay, so right here 0 1 0 1, then another is 1 0 1 0 in anti-clock from initial state. 1 0 1 0. These transitions accepts all type of the language consist of zeros and ones. Now we have to identify this combination, even number of zeros and odd number of ones. So when it says odd number of zeros, then this will be the final state. When it says even number of zeros, then it will come back here. Similarly, when it says even odd number of ones, it will be the Q2 state. When it will say even number of ones, then it will come back to the Q0. This 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly 1 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 6 0. So for odd number of zeros, this we have state we have to consider. For even number of zeros we have to consider this state. Okay, so this is the combination of even. This will be the combination of even or odd even, odd number of zeros, even number of ones. This will be the combination of, यहाँ पे one odd है, so even number of zeros, even odd combination, and this will be the odd combination. Okay, now here we will hear which combination is asked, even number of zeros and odd number of ones, that is nothing but this Q2. So mark this Q2 as a final state. Q2 as a final. So this is the finite automata. This is the finite automata which accepts the language having even number of zeros and odd number of ones. Okay. Now how to convert this finite automata into the Turing machine? Now the things will be as it is. Okay, just we have to convert it into, now consider this one 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, this and one more 0 is required, that is considered here. So this string is nothing but the having even number of zeros and odd number of ones we want there. So take here one more. So here even number of zeros and odd number of ones are there in the string. Now here what we have to do, the pointer will be here before this string and after this string blank cells are there. Now just go moving towards, okay, keep the 0 as it is, keep the 1 as it is. Okay, so here keep 0 as it is, move towards R, 0 as it is, move towards R, 0 as it is, move towards R, 0 as it is, move. If 1 comes, keep 1 as it is, move towards R. So convert in this way all the transitions. Okay, and keep the direction as a R, 1 as it is, and move direction towards the R. Okay, now here we converted the all transitions in the required form. Now remove this final state, okay, take one transition from this one. Now after this one, after reading all zeros and ones, moving towards the right side, we get here blank cell. Okay, so when from this final state of a finite automata, this final state will become the normal state of Turing machine, then we have to take here the one more transitions, blank, and then stop the procedure. Now here accept the string, Now in rest of the cases, the string will be rejected. अगर Q0 पे आएगा तो रिजेक्ट होगी, Q1 पे आएगा रिजेक्ट होगी, Q3 पे आएगा तो रिजेक्ट होगा. But when it will come to Q2, automatically it will come to the accept state. Okay, so this is the transition diagram which accept the language having even number of zeros and odd number of ones. Okay, just remember this one. First construct the finite automata of this one, and then automatically convert the all transition in the required format. Then whichever is the final state, take the outgoing transition from that one and write there blank, replace by blank, and stop the procedure and accept the string. So this way we can construct the transition diagram of Turing machine for accepting language having even number of zeros and odd number of ones. Similarly, you can do for even number of zeros and odd number of any combination. Okay, 4 combinations: even, odd even odd, and odd. If the question is design the Turing machine for accepting language having even number of zeros and even number of ones, then which will be the final state, this one, because even combination come here. So we have to take here the transition, outgoing transition from this one and show this one. If the question is odd number of ones and even number of odd number of zeros and even number of ones, then we have to take this transition from this state Q1. And if odd number of zeros and odd number of ones are asked, then take the transition from this Q3 state. Okay, because at Q3 state odd combination comes there. Okay, so this way we can construct the Turing machine. Thank you all.